probably should have did the intro. Hold on, let me go back to the
Welcome to a Twitch stream where everything is messed up. Thank you very much.
Hey Rowan, you wanna plug your stupid channel?
Do I wanna
anything?
Oh, my channel? Oh yeah. Honestly, I don't remember my channel. I'm making a video, but like it's gonna take forever, cause you know.
Anyway, this is part 2. I'm very tired. I'm not doing an intro. Screw that.
I keep using bandit. I probably should. I feel like it's to switch, but I'm not sure.
Just find a character you're
Idiot,
comfortable
bro.
with. You know. But some of them are pretty fun, so I would recommend
Is this
switching every
engineer?
now and then.
Is this engineer? Is engineer good?
Engineer, no.
I mean,
no. Well, I
yeah.
mean, if you want to be lazy, then yeah.
Multi.
If you're lazy.
Is multi?
Look, buddy.
Is multi good?
Multi is pretty fun.
Okay.
You could have 2 weapons.
Alright.
Going for that.
I'm ready to go.
Going for that.
Here we go.
Roman, we already started.
Oh yeah, by the way, you just drop in. You don't summon. You don't do the summon.
Mortal. I never lie.
Oh.
Okay, too late. Come up.
Should I pick the first option? I just have a big sniper.
Switch. You can switch weapons.
How do you do that? Hold on. I'm sorry. I'm stupid. How do I do this?
RB. Did you press RB to switch?
I am switching. I've been.
Don't tell me you picked both of them for your. Please tell me you didn't do that. Please.
Can I load out and come back in? Can I load?
There's nothing. We didn't really do anything in this run, so I might as well just leave.
We started game, so we just.
I think you picked both of your primaries as.
Yeah, because I was like, ooh, damage.
Great.
Alright. I'll have my primary be the sniper. Yeah. Also, how dare they not give me up like a drop pod? This is racist.
Well, I mean, you're a robot.
Nah, that's racist. Nah. Me, and I want to sword me, and I want to stab people. Me.
Well, you might get the other person before this guy, so.
Probably.
You know.
Because I also have this guy. I don't like the loader. Oh no. Oh no.
You're playing as loader now.
Oh no, I'm not playing as loader. I'm not playing as loader. I cannot. No. I'm not
You'll
playing
be
as loader.
just okay. Well, play her for a little bit. She's pretty fun. Do the just try her kid out. Just try her kid.
I'm gonna picture.
Yeah, you can one shot that guy. Hold it. Yeah. Okay, well, did you charge it all the way?
Not probably not. No. God, it takes so long. Oh, I'm gonna hate this. I already hate this.
Yeah, every time you whack someone with your melee, you get shields.
Man, stupid. I get this girl, I get. Oh.
That's like
Cool.
your only ranged weapon.
Oh! This is what the.
The
Okay.
ground.
Ow! Hey yo, what's up? Hold up. No. Hit you.
Great.
Punch! Oh shit! Ah!
You think we're playing Swarm, but we're not.
Bye. Get out of here. I can grapple on enemies! Oh my. This might be a little bit funny. You spin me right round. Oh shit. Bah. Oh shit. That's what you're funny. I got him. This might be a little bit.
Are we doing this run or are we just gonna?
Sure. Sure.
Okay. Hey,
Sure.
Ro,
I'm probably gonna die, but I mean, sure. Yoink. Aww.
Alright. I'm done looting. Don't punch those guys.
Ow. Ow. Oh shit, I'm about to punch him and fall off the map.
Oh great. You ready?
Sure.
I put Wowzers videos. They're kind of crappy, but as soon as I get the hang of it, and I'm probably the only person who actually uses them that plays PC but uses them. So go follow me on YouTube and yeah, go subscribe to notification. I'm never gonna post, by the way.
I'm gonna punch him. I punched him. God, I'm really not gonna do well in this run. I am not gonna do well at all.
You're gonna take the funny loot.
I'm gonna die, baby. Anyways.
Tips and tricks for newbies. So Data, when you use your LT, you use it like off like that log that's like slanting, you go high.
I love how
What the heck?
I love how Roman's like everything. He's a Genji me.
Of course, man. Genji's the best, dude. So you see that rock right there?
Did you see that he just got the equipment without even trying? It's pretty weird, right?
Me? Oh shit. Oh. Nah, I was just playing. I was doing cool tricks.
Oh yeah, Dave, that equipment you got me was the freaking the electric thingy. That was like 1 in the 5,000 chances or something.
Oh.
I didn't know it was that
Bro,
rare.
you are, bro, I forgot this guy's RNG. Alright, that's it. We're gonna go.
Fun.
Is that really it?
More fun
Yeah.
tips and tricks. Hey, if you use the other LB, it's a lot more better. Unless you really like that one, then you go for it.
Dang, all the loot is gone.
Man, no wonder you.
More tips and tricks. So Thomas, you know that RP? You could use it, you could grapple onto it to get more momentum.
Oh fuck. What do you mean RB? Oh!
Your ball,
That's
you
cool.
could grapple on it and
I'm trying it.
saw the guy speedrun.
I saw that you guys speedrun once.
Once. It was crazy. More tips and tricks. Hey Dave, you know you could recycle that?
I know.
Pretty cool. God.
Okay, well, I'm gonna start it. So.
No, damn it! Oh, that was.
You ready? Yeah, I'm just.
It's Wandering Wing. Background.
Great.
That's easy. You guys are both
The
melee.
worst guy for me. She's like the worst guy I get
Punch him
past.
through the hole. Punch her through the hole. Punch them through the hole. Watch out for that fire. The right idea. Okay, okay. Run! How to run?
Oh my god.
I'm gonna beat the German. Oh shit!
He's going near you.
Holy shit! Oh my god!
More tips and tricks. Fun fact, you know that if you get all the heresy items, you can turn into a
fun facts! Actually,
more fun
facts.
you can turn into a chicken with cancer.
What?
Pretty cool. Oh my god. If you get all the heresy item, which is the blue item, you can turn into a demonic chicken. Cool fun fact, and
shit.
you might die. Oh yes.
That's what I get for being a melee.
You got to stand still. More tips and tricks. If you have the mushrooms, just stand still.
I hate the mushrooms.
More tips and tricks. You know those fire guys? They hurt. More tips and tricks. If you stay in the circle, progress will go up.
Another tips and tricks is, you know, playing with Bandit, even if you shoot those guys in the red eye and have to do the same damage when you turn it back to them. It's weird.
Headshot.
Dude. God, they're just standing there. It's like, where'd he go?
Fun fact. That demon dog or slimy dog that Day was playing is actually a demon. I don't know if it's a demon. I was just guessing genders. Don't assume genders, guys. It's bad for you. It's not bad for you. No one will like it because it's just whole humanity has gone too soft.
Beat the shit out of me. Come here.
Jesus Christ. Dodge it, Thomas. Holy crap. I think you guys know what time it is. Some more tips and tricks. Thomas, that egg you have there, you still take damage, so don't go near fire types, because they'll burn like hell.
Oh, great. Just what I needed. Hooray. Shouldn't have game. Really shouldn't.
Literally telling you shouldn't have, you dumbass. Oh my god. Oh, more great. I have 3 stuns. I have 3. I don't need 3. This game doesn't help me. You're not helping me. You could give me more damage, you know, that'd be nice. Like the first hit, you know. Give me a
More
bar
tips and tricks. Printers can actually help you make a build if you're going for that kind of stuff. Yeah.
Here's like being the shit level ball.
I hate this so much. The best character in Risk of Rain 2 is the engineer. Oh my god. He's trying to help him stay away from a thick battle to his turrets. You know, that's probably right. Just stay away from battle. And he has a Gibby shield, so.
Got some combos for my brothers.
I hate this.
Fun fact, did you know like Gibby's gay? Yeah, he's gay.
Yeah, that's right.
That's right, he's gay.
Alright, let's see what's out of this. Oh wow, equipment just removed. I'll take it. You know what? I'll take it.
Lockbox.
I just
I found out.
No,
Oh, the fucking hurts. Just
found a
lockbox.
lockbox.
I told you, Tommy. Oh my god. I gave this man tips and tricks. He won't listen to it. Oh. you can't use the lava egg on fire types. It'll still hurt you.
This is a fine pickle.
Oh yeah.
But yeah.
I was thinking, yeah, I can kill him. My melee character sucks, and this guy is like a badass. Come on.
Tips and tricks.
More infusions, bruh.
You know your character can dodge damage, and you to
Yeah, I know. Thanks for that. Very exciting.
yeah, I know. Just want to make sure you know.
Hey, did you
were
know
kind
you can actually kill more than one enemy?
Did you know that fire head actually deals fire against you? So don't go near it.
It's like the good tip and the annoying tip you find the loading screen. Hey, did you know what gun hurts you?
Fire people hurt.
I don't want no more tips or tricks.
More tips and tricks. You know that the goaler can actually smack the living hell out of you. So don't go in front of it. Go from behind.
Clap for a.
See when your mom